Okay, I've received the package and I think this is an eyepiece, but let's just open and see what is it. Oh, that's it. Let's see what is this one. Eyepiece. Baader Classic Ortho Eyepiece. Oh, I have one of these. I wanted for binary viewing. Another one, and I got it now. Let's open and see. Oh boy, it was a pain to remove it from this. I don't know. This is the original bag, but it was so tight. Anyway, this is the eyepiece that we have. And this is a classic Ortho. Oh, I love that. I have another one of these. Now we have a binary viewer. I like it especially because of this eye guard that they have. So that's the classic Ortho. Now we have received it. Beautiful lens, a flat field all across, and a beautiful eye guard. I got it really cheap, so the original price is £59 or as much as they can sell you. I got this one for £30, I think, second hand, and as good as new. That will be great. This is the one I just bought second hand, and this is the one that I bought new, and they are the same practically. Okay, let's see. Yeah, they're exactly the same. So when you put it in the binary viewer, this will be like this, and you can actually use it. And that's the pair now that I have for binary viewing. Orthos are the best eyepieces you can get. I wish they had them in the wide angle and long focal length. So, models, but they don't have. They just have this kind of high magnification one. 10 and 18, I think they have. And anyway, this is good. Now I have one that I can use. And this is all two eyepieces that I have bought from new and bought second hand. They are the same exactly.